Bonjour et bienvenue dans cette nouvelle vidéo sur French with Nandita. Je m'appelle Nandita Jaishwal et j'ai un son les français. So hello and welcome back on French with Nandita. Je m'appelle Nandita Jaishwal and I teach French. So today we are going to recall or we are going to understand what are the syllabus in our Delf A-1 level exam. So we will start with the vocabulary section. So let's start. So in the vocabulary section you will have to learn all these topics that I am going to tell you. Okay. So first topic is greetings and introduction, nationality and countries, family and members. So you have to learn all the names of family members in French. Next is numbers, dates, time. So you have to be sure that you have learned all the numbers from 1 to 100 from my videos. I will provide the link below. And next is family and relations, weather and seasons, daily routine and habits. You should make all your routine and practice in French. Okay. Next, food and drink, hobbies and leisure, school and profession. Okay. Next, describing people, places or an object. And the last one is directions and transportation. So in the Delf A1 you can get any type of question related to the directions. Okay, so be prepared with the directions one. Now we will is grammar section. So in the grammar section you will have to understand and practice all the topics given, and I am telling you, first topic is subject and pronouns. Next, regular verbs in er like parler, and some common irregular verb at avoir, aller, faire. Third topic is gender and number of nouns and adjective. Fourth is definite and indefinite articles like les, la, un, etc. Next one is basic preposition, for example a, they, chez, dont. Sixth topic is negotiations. Seventh, possessive adjective, mon, ma, me, etc. Eighth one is interrogative sentence, like that sentence start from qui, que, où, como. And the last one is simple sentence structure and word order. So you must have known all the structures and rules of simple sentence in French. Okay, so that's all the syllabus of Delf A1 exam. So I will provide all the content related to Delf, and I have also started short feeds series. You can also watch and learn your Delf A1 exam syllabus from there. It is short and quick, and if not, I will also provide detailed videos on all the topics given in Delf A1. So stay tuned, follow for more. Thank you. So stay tuned, stay connected and follow for more. Au revoir.